Bird's name. Sparrow. Sparrow means gorea. Swan. Swan means hens. Parrot. Parrot means tota. Flamingo. Flamingo means rajhans. Ostrich. Ostrich means शुतुरमुर्ग. Crow. Crow means कौआ. Pigeon. Pigeon means कबूतर. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means कोयल. Duck. Duck means बत्तख. Crane. Crane means सारस. मैना. मैना means मैना. Hen. Hen means मुर्गी. Kingfisher. Kingfisher means राम चिड़ैया. Bat. Bat means चमगादड़. Goose. Goose means कलहंस. Hopi bird. Hopi bird means हुदहुद. Peacock. Peacock means मोर. Owl. Owl means उल्लू. Woodpecker. Woodpecker means कठफोड़वा. Penguin. Penguin means penguin. Vulture. Vulture means गिद्ध. Partridge. Partridge means तीतर. Quail. Quail means बटेर. Blue jay. Blue jay means नीलकंठ. Swallow. Swallow means अबाबील. Eagle. Eagle means गरुड़. Nightingale. Nightingale means बुलबुल. Pavit. Pavit means टिटहरी. Great egret. Great egret means बगुला. Cock. Cock means मुर्गा. Skylark. Skylark means चकाता. Kite. Kite means चील. Robin. Robin means robin. Turkey. Turkey means पेरू पक्षी. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.